back, children. How are you all? I hope you all must have gone through the topic that we had learned in our last session, that is opposites. So let's revise it once again.
Big, small, B-I-G, big, S-M-A-L-L, small. Up, down, U-P, up, D-O-W-N, down. Day, night, D-A-Y, day, N-I-G-H-T, night. Fat, thin, F-A-T, fat, T-H-I-N, thin. Hot, cold, H-O-T, hot, C-O-L-D, cold. Sad, happy, S-A-D, sad, H-A-P-P-Y, happy. New, old, N-E-W, new, O-L-D, old.
Let's start with the activity. Opposites board game. This board holds 7 different flashcards. We have to match these flashcards with the chits. The matching becomes easy because the flashcard and the chits hold the same number and the picture according to the opposite. So let's start. The first one, happy. Happy, sad. Second, big. Big, small. Third, up. Up, down. Fourth, day, night. Fifth, new. New, old. Sixth, fat. Fat, thin. And the seventh, hot. Hot, cold. Hope you all must have loved this activity. Now, time for some worksheet. I'll be explaining you 2 worksheets which you all need to do on your own at home.
Draw a line to match the opposites. I'll do the first one for y'all and the rest y'all have to do by your own. Big, B-I-G, big. The opposite of big goes as small. Big elephant, small ant. Now, the second worksheet. You can see the pictures in that boxes. The first box, sad face. Second, happy face. Third, small mouth. You have to find out the opposite of sad. Is it happy or is it small? You can just put a tick mark in that small box like this. The second, small mouth, big elephant, open box. So now you have to find out the opposite of small. Is it or is it open?
See you soon, children, in the next session with the solution. Thank you.